Hey everyone, you're welcome once more to NFEA. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there. Alright? So we have a problem on the board, and by looking at the problem, we realize that this is a problem on what sequence and what series. The question says the sixth term of an arithmetic progression is half of its what? Half of its 12th term. So the fourth term is equal to dash. All right. So our solution, let's interpret the first what? Sentence or statement. So the sixth term with me is what? T6. Okay. And it says is what? Half. Okay. This is half of what? The 12th term. So we can say T what? 12. Okay. So what does this mean? This means what? Half of means times. Okay. T what? 12. All right. So it means T6 is equals to what? 1 times what? T12 is still T12. Okay, divided by what? 2 times 1 is what? 2. Now recall this. We have our Tn is equals to what? A plus, which is the first term, minus n minus 1 what? D, which is our common what difference. So we want to apply this to this and this. Okay. So all we need to do is for T6, we can input 6 as the value of n in this expression. So let's put that and see what that gives us. So T6 is going to be, we have what? So T6 is going to be A plus, we have 6 minus 1 D. So that will give us what? We have A plus 6 minus 1, which is what? 5D. What about T12? So T12, which is the 12th term, is going to be A plus. Now we have input 12 here, so this is going to be 12. So we have 12 minus 1D. So which we have as what? A plus 12 minus 1 is what? 11. So we have plus 11D. Now that we know our T6, which is our 6th term, as A plus 5D, and our 12th term as what? A plus 11D, we are going to substitute it into what? This expression. Okay, so let's substitute it and see what that gives us. All right. So we are going to have, okay, we're going to have our T6, remember, is what? A plus 5D. So I have A plus 5D, okay, is equals to what? Our T12 is A plus 11D, so A plus 11D, all this divided by what? 2. So this expression, okay, can now be written in this form, all right, since our T6 is this and our 12 term is this. So let's simplify this to be able to know what the fourth term is. Remember, our first term is what? A. This is our fourth term. This is our fourth term. What it means is we want to solve for the value of what? A. So how do we solve for the value of A? First, we want to what? Cross what? Multiply. So we want to cross multiply. So 2 is going to multiply this, so we have 2 multiply A plus 5D, which is equals to what? 1 is going to multiply what? A plus 11D. Okay, so let's open the brackets. So 2 times this is what? 2A, and 2 times plus 5D is going to give us plus what? 2 times 5 is 10, so we have 10D. 1 times all this is still all this. Okay, now that we have this, we can now collect what? Like terms. Okay, so I'm going to bring all the A on one side and all the word D on one side. So let's do that and see what that gives. Now, first I want to subtract A from both sides, so I'll have 2A minus A plus 10D is equals to, so we have A minus A plus what? 11D. Now, why have I subtracted this A from both sides? Is to enable us have what this as what? 0, to eliminate this A on this what side. So we are going to have this as 2A minus A. It's going to be A plus, we have this as what? 10D, which is equals This is 0, so 0 plus 11d is still 11d. Okay, now that we have this expression, remember the question is what's asking us to find our first term, which means we are looking for a. So we want to look for a, okay, what a is going to be equal to. All right, so at this point we are going to subtract, plus 10d from both sides. So we have a plus 10d minus 10d, which is equals to 11d minus 10d. Okay, so that this is 0, so we have a plus 0, which is equals 11d minus 10d is 1d. Okay, but in mass, instead of writing 1d, we simply say what? D. So our a plus 0 is a, which is equals to what? D. So the first term is equal to what? So actually from the question we can see that the first term is equal to what? Is actually equal to what? D. Okay, so the first term, okay, is equal to what? Our common what? Difference. So it's equal, okay, to the what? Common difference. So that answers the problem to this simple what? Question. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share this video to someone out there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.